7,
6, 5, 4, 3,
2, 1.
We literally went to pull out to leave, and our brakes are not working. I feel like this is our designated spot for when things don't go according to plan. It's currently 10:10. We were supposed to be out of here by now. We went to leave to stay in town yesterday. When we left our driveway, the brakes would not work. You have somebody coming, hopefully around 3, to fix our brakes. So the goal is to still leave this evening. So I'll kind of let Quinn tell our second option that we've got.
Yeah, so like what Kaylee was saying, we're pulling out of the driveway, and my foot is all the way down, and the bus is still going. What we can see from our eye,
and hopefully all that's wrong with it.
Yeah. What we can see is a broken brake line. Hopefully that's it. If that's not the case and this bus isn't safe to travel in, we're still going to travel. That's not going to stop us. So what we're going to be doing is living out of my car.
Just wanted to update you guys. But we'll put some cool clips in here.
Currently 3:30, 3:20. Not looking good.
We're finally getting this thing towed to a permanent location. So what does that mean for us, Quinn?
We are living out of my car.
We're hitting the road.
Yep.
We're doing it. Saying don't worry about a thing, cause every little thing is gonna be alright.
And we're off.
$1:54 a.m.
We are somewhere in Tennessee. We went to Gatlinburg first, and that place is wild. And there's no place to stay either, unless you have an Airbnb or a hotel. We decided to venture out some and landed here. We are currently in these new sleeping bags. Sirius is already tuckered out.
Also, we don't know if where we're staying allows you to camp, because we're actually on like this deck thing that's built onto where we're at.
It's hanging over a river right now.
Yeah,
So,
but they didn't have any camp signs that they had everywhere else. So,
and the actual camping spots, we drove and couldn't find it anywhere. So, well, we found the camping spot. Our car is right there. It was so dark last night, we couldn't see any of this. We were so close.
it is currently 10:41. Feeling good. How are you feeling?
Pretty good. We are currently headed to Snowshoe, West Virginia. We got about 4 hours and 3 minutes exactly. So.
Aren't you being serious?
Man, this Taco Bell's just got wild lavender growing around it. I don't know. I'm gonna have to smell it.
So we're on the top of a mountain, and we've got a couple options for the sleeping arrangements. This, which is literally like the perfect spot with mushy moss.
The ground is so soft.
It's so soft.
It's like a pillow.
This is so cool. And we're just in the middle of these trees right here. That's home. We're gonna finish setting it up and then we'll probably go explore a little bit. Tipsy tipped her house over, but that thing collapses into a little circle. And it is so convenient. But there's our house, looking pretty spiffy. What do you rate it, babe?
What do I rate it? 1 to 10?
Yeah.
I'd give it a solid 10 because one, we are covered by all those trees, and the ground is extremely squishy. All right, so you look so cute.
Do I look like a hiking gal?
You look like you have some positive vibes. Anyway, we set our camp up and decided to walk around a little bit, so we just want to get to the top of the mountain. Fox Ridge Loop Trail. 2.5 miles. I don't know if I got that in me, Hoss.
We're on top of a mountain right now. I mean, look how small that car is. Holy moly. This is insane.
Well, anyway, I reckon we're going to head back. We'll be going all over the Northeast. So if you haven't already, like and subscribe because it really does help. And we'll also post our link tree. It'll take you to all of our sites. And if you want to donate, that would be awesome too. But anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.